I wasn't looking for a Midjourney replacement. In fact, I thought ImagineArt was just another AI image generator trying to ride the hype. Then I noticed one feature that made me stop comparing image quality for a second. It made me ask a completely different question. What if the best AI tool isn't the one that creates the prettiest image, but the one that actually fits the way you work? Here's what I mean. Whenever people compare AI image generators, they almost always zoom into the pictures. They'll put two images side by side, point at tiny details, and declare a winner. But let's be honest, if you're a business owner, a YouTuber, or someone creating content every day, you're probably thinking about something else. You want to know how quickly you can go from an idea in your head to something you can actually publish. That's where ImagineArt started making more sense to me. It isn't just about typing a prompt and hoping for the best. The workflow feels designed for people who want to keep creating instead of constantly switching between different tools. The feature that stood out wasn't necessarily about making prettier images, it was about making the whole creative process feel faster and less frustrating. And honestly, that's something I think a lot of reviews completely overlook. Now, does that mean Midjourney suddenly becomes a bad choice? Not at all. Midjourney is still one of the strongest AI image generators out there, especially if your only goal is creating stunning artwork. But if you're spending half your day creating thumbnails, social media graphics, marketing visuals, or content for clients, the workflow starts becoming just as important as the final image. Saving 10 minutes on every project doesn't sound exciting until you realize you've saved hours by the end of the week. Here's the conclusion I came to after comparing them. I don't think ImagineArt wins because it creates better images every single time. I think it wins for people who value speed, convenience, and a smoother creative workflow. That's a completely different reason, and I think it's a much more useful way to compare AI tools. At the end of the day, nobody pays a subscription just to admire AI images. We pay because we want to finish projects faster. So before you decide between ImagineArt and Midjourney, ask yourself one question. Are you looking for the best looking image or the fastest path from an idea to a finished project? That answer will probably make the decision a lot easier. Now, I want to ask you something. If you could only keep one AI image generator for the next year, would you choose ImagineArt or Midjourney? Comment below and let me know why. I'm genuinely curious because everyone's creative workflow is a little different, and I'd love to hear which one you choose.